Can you actually chat with your bank? Let's talk Capital One's Eno. Ever felt stuck on hold with customer service, listening to elevator music that could rival a dentist's waiting room? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if there was a way to get quick answers about your bank account without the hold times? Enter the world of virtual assistants, and specifically, Capital One's Eno. So, can you chat with Capital One? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We'll dive into what Eno is, how it works, and see if it can truly replace that old-fashioned phone call. Let's face it, our finances can be complicated. Between checking balances, making payments, and maybe even navigating a tricky rewards program, sometimes you just need a quick answer. Traditionally, that meant picking up the phone and hoping for the best. But with Eno, Capital One is offering a new approach, a digital assistant that can, hopefully, answer your burning questions in a flash. Now, Eno isn't exactly Jarvis from Iron Man, but it can handle a surprising number of tasks. Think of it like a superpowered FAQ section that can actually understand your questions. Need to know your current balance? No problem. Want to make a quick payment? Eno's got you covered. Curious about those reward points you've been racking up? Eno can break it all down for you. But what if you need to handle something a little more complex? Maybe you suspect fraudulent activity on your account, or your card needs to be replaced. This is where Eno might reach its limits. While it can help you initiate the process or point you in the right direction, complex issues might still require a chat with a human representative. Still, for those everyday banking needs, Eno has the potential to be a game changer. Imagine checking your account on your phone and having all your questions answered through a quick chat window. No hold times, no awkward small talk, just straight to the point information. Here's the real kicker, Eno is available 24/7. So, whether you're a night owl checking your finances before bed or an early bird getting a head start on your day, Eno is there whenever you need it. But is Eno right for everyone? Well, there are a few things to consider. First, Eno is currently only available to most Capital One customers. There are some exceptions, so it's always best to check with Capital One directly to see if you're eligible. Second, Eno is still under development, which means it's constantly learning and evolving. While it can handle a wide range of questions, there's always the possibility it might not understand yours. Don't be discouraged if that happens. Eno will likely learn from the experience and improve over time. Finally, some people might just prefer the personal touch of a live representative. There's something to be said about getting help from a real person who can understand the nuances of your situation. So, the bottom line? Eno is a valuable tool for Capital One customers who want a quick and convenient way to manage their finances. It might not replace the phone call entirely, but it can definitely streamline the process for everyday tasks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.